Alright, before I start, I need to ask you something. If you had access to a robot from the future with thousands of amazing gadgets, what would you do with it? Would you become rich? Would you travel through time? Would you solve the world's biggest problems? Well, if you are Nobita, you would use it to avoid homework. Honestly, I think that's why so many people love Nobita. He's not a superhero. He's not a genius. He's not the strongest kid in town. In fact, if there were an award for making bad decisions, Nobita would probably win it every year. What makes him funny is that he always finds a way to turn a simple problem into a huge disaster. Or maybe he creates his own problems. You know what's really funny? Doraemon keeps bringing incredible gadgets from the future. A gadget that can fly, a gadget that can travel through time, a gadget that can do almost anything. And Nobita always finds the worst possible way to use it. It's like giving someone a spaceship and watching them use it to get snacks from the kitchen. That's Nobita. Also, we can talk about how confident Nobita is. I wish I had that level of confidence. This guy can fail a test, get yelled at by his mom, lose at sports, and still wake up the next day ready to make brand new mistakes. That's dedication. That's commitment. While I am drawing him, I'm realizing something. Nobita has probably spent more time avoiding homework than I have spent learning to draw. And that's saying something. If procrastination were an Olympic sport, Nobita wouldn't train for it. He would say he would start training tomorrow. Anyway, that's my drawing of Nobita. If you are a Doraemon fan, tell me in the comments what's the funniest thing Nobita has ever done. And be honest, how many of you are watching this instead of doing something important right now? Because if you are, Nobita would be very proud. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.